snooze button on the timer. Alright guys, let's flip on the news.
Welcome to Sam's Little News.
What?
I am Justin Moore, and I am
A flood happened. The Mississippi River flooded South Tennessee? I don't think so. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What happened? It just flooded my house! Oh my gosh! It just flooded my house! What happened? Oh my gosh! It's a flood! Oh my goodness! What happened? Whoa! They said the Mississippi River flooded, and it flooded so bad. Oh no, guys. Oh geez. Oh my goodness. Everything is, the flood just blew my race truck over here. Oh my goodness. Guys, whoa. I don't want to drown. I'm drowning. Oh man. Oh my goodness. What happened? This is the biggest flood ever. Whoa, the well. Oh man. Yuka, girl, are you okay? Have you slept last night with all this flood gushing down, all this water gushing down from the Mississippi River? No? Okay. So she just barked and whimpered at me. So it means that she didn't even sleep because, and her ears, she's a husky, so her ears are back, so it means she's tired and wet. Whew. All right, guys, so the news said that there is going to be another 4 feet, there's going to be another inch of flood from the Mississippi River, from the Kentucky Lake on the North Tennessee. That's going to make the Mississippi River more worse. The Mississippi River flood more worse. I mean, what happened? Well, they said everything around Tennessee is all evaporated, but all the hilly stuff like my farm is at, where the rivers are. Wow. Can't believe it. The K-Squad is rigged. Let's see if the K-Squad tracker can work. Looks like it doesn't want to work. Oh, great, really? And this K-Squad is my favorite, really? Really? I'm not that impressed. Let's see if the Steger works. Let's see. Yes, it works! Great! Right, guys. We should put this in somewhere. Wow, I can't even believe, how would the flood gone to my house? Oh yeah. The windows, I usually keep windows open all night. I usually like hearing songbirds, so cool. It went in here. Oh, geez. Wow. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I gotta get inside of the house because there's gonna be another inch of flood. But guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.